Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Benji's Piece of Cake. Today I'm making some meatballs in sauce, and to the meatballs I'm going to add some Indian spices to make it a little different from the normal ones. So I hope you will like my recipe. So I'm using about a pound of minced beef, and to it I'm going to add 1 egg and about a cup of breadcrumbs and chopped onion and coriander leaves. Add salt to taste, about a teaspoon of powdered chili, about a teaspoon of paprika. Mix all the ingredients really well. You can use your hand if you like. Meatballs are all ready for frying now. Lightly fry in oil. Cook on medium heat and brown it on both sides. In a pan, add oil, garlic, about a teaspoon, and chopped onion. I'm using canned sauce for my pasta sauce. So add it to your onions. Stir well. Let it come to boil and then add all the meatballs to the sauce and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So the sauce is boiling now. I'm going to add the meatballs to the sauce. Cook on medium heat until the sauce is thick, and taste for salt.